Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Let's go. This is your Charita. Hope all are doing safe and sound at home. So am I. And viewers, please kindly bear with my voice for today because I'm suffering with cold, so my voice changed a bit. So kindly bear with that. And today I'm back with another beauty product. That is, I bought this one. This is Nykaa new launch. So Nykaa Naturals Clean Touch 2-in-1 Face Brush and Massager. So this is recently launched on June 5th. So today only I got my product delivery. So I'm gonna unbox this, show you what's there inside, and give you the demo and review you. So let's see how much does it work for us in our regular lives. Okay viewers, this is Nykaa Clean Touch 2-in-1 Face Brush and Massager packaging. So this is how it looks like, pure white nice carton box, and this is the back side. So here we have the information of the price. So this is the price over here. It's cost 2,999, and the manufacturer number, batch number, and how to use its technology, caution, and country of origin China, barcode, etc. was mentioned over here. And now I'll open it. It has a right side opening for it. It's a magnetic opening, so we can open and close it, fix it the box. So these are the items what we have. First thing is this charging pin, USB cable, and the second one is the manual. So there are a few instructions in this, and here comes the machine. So this is a beautiful blue color. Blue is my favorite color, and they actually have three colors. One is green, pink, and blue. I ordered blue. And you can see these are the bristles parts. This corner is the larger bristles, and these are the tiny bristles over here. And this is the start button, and this is like plus button to increase, and this is the minus for decrease. And coming to the back, you can see like it just mentioned it's waterproof grade and battery. And this tiny circle or else ring, you can see this is the charging point. So I think I need to like insert it. Actually there is no opening over here, but still I need to poke or something to charge this. So let's see how does it works. So viewers, now I'll tell you how to use. So there are a few points backside of this package and even in this manual as well. So there are simple 6 steps. I'll read it out. How to use. Point number 1, apply the Nykaa face wash on moist skin. 2, press the center button to start the brush. And 3, clean the face with the front of the brush in circular motions. So I guess this is the bristles they are talking about. Number 4, adjust the intensity of the device by pressing plus and minus. 5, turn off the brush and rise your face. 6, and last point, wash the brush with soapy water. Recommended time for brush use is 60 seconds. So this is how to use, and even they have given like the details of this product. So advanced high frequency sonic technology, 6 speed levels for deep cleansing. Rechargeable and waterproof, removes blackheads and impurities from pores. So this is all they have, and there are some like detailed stuff they are given in this manual. We have 4 pages of it, but almost conveys the same. First of all, so this product has to be charged initially when we start using it. So it takes like 1.5 hours for complete full charging. But guys, I didn't charge it. I just taken out of from the box. I didn't charge. Let's check it whether it does have some power in it, or we need to charge all. If it doesn't have any power, obviously I will charge it. So this is the start button over here. I already shown you in the unboxing, so I'm just clicking it. Oh, okay. Okay, do have some power in it. Yes, you can see just vibrating, and I can see the sound also. And we have a plus and minus buttons over here. So they have 6 speed levels as it mentioned. So, and you can see when I'm pressing it, it's actually blinking on the back side. So this is a LED light over back side. and 1, 2, 3. So totally we have 3 increasing levels and 3 decreasing levels. So I'll show you it. I use it on my hand. So simple thing is just cleansing. This is only for the cleansing purpose. Just use your face wash or soap onto your face and use it for 1 minute to cleanse your face and or your skin. So I'll just show you on my hand first, and then I'll go to my face. So I can know what is the intensity and the frequency of it and how I can feel it. Okay, so first let me use some soap, or I'm gonna use my face wash. So here I have some plain water. And this is my regular face wash I'm using. You can use any face wash or soap. So here it goes. And so I'm just starting this machine, and I will be going on first level. So let's see how much it does work. So this is the first level, and the bristles over here. So viewers, I'm just increasing the levels to second, and this is a third level, and I'm using it on my hand. So this is the full 3 points I'm using, and you can see it's slowly, the lather or the foam is slowly developing on my hand, and it's vibrating very hard, guys. Really, the bristles are not too much smooth or kind of thing. I can feel it like a bit of harsh and very pressury. But unless if you don't put this in third level, I'm not getting any good foam or lather. So I guess this is okay. I can wash it. I just demoed on my hand. Now I'll use it on my face. So I just spraying some clean water. This is normal water, guys. And this is my regular face wash. On this it goes, and some on my face as well. So first I'm using on level 2. So let's see how it works. So we need to use this for a minute. So according to the manual, just 1 minute is enough for cleansing it. And if you see this corner, they have a larger bristles. So this is actually for T-zone, it seems. So now I'm gonna use it on my T-zone. And my cheeks, jawline. So increase to third level. So viewers, here it completes 1 minute. So totally 60 seconds I used it. So I'll just wash my face and come back and let you know how I felt. Okay. Okay viewers, now I'm back cleaning my face with water, neat and clean. So now I'll show you how to charge this, because I didn't charge up to now. So viewers, now I'm going to show how to charge this Mamasaza. So already shown you while at the time of unboxing, there was a small ring kind of circular shape over here. So this is the charging point, and here is the charger pin I have. And this, actually there is a small cut inside this circle. So simple thing is we need to just poke it inside. See, so simple. And this is the LED light, it blinks into red. So this charge machine has to charge for total 1.5 hours for a complete full charge. so then we can use it for around 300 minutes. So this will blink and I will leave it for charging. I have shown you the unboxing and the demo of this Nykaa Naturals Clean Touch 2-in-1 face brush and massager. So now I'll talk about this product, like what are things I like and dislike. So coming to the like, I really like its shape. It's very sleek and really handy, you know, the way I'm holding it's perfect, like the way you hold your perfume bottle, very sleek. This is really good, the shape. And the second thing is its material. It's completely silicone, and even the charging point also it's completely covered. I have shown you a tiny circle over here. It has a very tiny sleek inside, so you just need to poke your or insert your charging pin, that's it. So almost like it's like 0% of water goes inside. But even though we should be very careful not to immerse this in completely water, so that's why it can be harmful for this. But maximum to maximum it's completely covered, so silicone covered, there is no opening, so maximum chances not water doesn't go. So these are the really good things. And even when you maintain it also, do not like you completely don't make it wet. That is actually mentioned in the manual. And do not don't put a lot of soap on it, like delicate soap is enough, and just can clean the bristles or clean the brush part. That is so simple we can do. And coming to the dislike part, so main thing is the bristles. If you see the body, and the bristles is not even for the half of the body covered, even like it's like more than 1/4 and not even fully covered. So at the corner of it, if you see, there are the larger bristles which the Nykaa, in the Nykaa app or Nykaa website, they mention it for T-zone purpose, so cleaning your T-zone. But this corner is very tiny, and the brushes, even though have a larger pores or larger bristles, but its portion is very small, so it's like useless. It doesn't cover a lot much cleaning purpose. Even I shown you in the demo part, so it's not much useful. And the bristles over here, tiny bristles, and it's even to be honest, it should be, the bristles part should be more, then only you can like nicely use it on your skin, your face, your neck. But this cleaning part is very less, costing around 3,000, and you have a very small brush is something useless, I feel. Yes, of course, it's so actually cost of this is 2,999 rupees as a launching offer. On the very first day and the only day, they given a 10% discount on the day which I ordered, so I got a 10% discount, so I purchased this for 2,699 rupees. From the next day, it's back to its own price, so you can go and check in the Nykaa app. It costs you around 2,999 rupees, and that much cost, and it just for cleansing purpose, I feel it doesn't worthful. I'm not liking you spending that much amount. It's very expensive spending that much amount, and it does not much things on your skin. It actually exfoliates, the brush exfoliates, but even I didn't feel much exfoliation on my skin, and I'm feeling little kind of irritation. And the one more thing is, until unless if you don't wash this, use it on level 3, the lather don't start oozing, or the foam doesn't come out. I used it in level 2 and level 3. Only on level 3 only we can get a proper foam, and it's working properly and forcefully. But level 3 is very hard on my skin, to be honest, to get the foam or to make the work done. But it's very hard on my skin, and a very pressure also. So spending something like 3,000 rupees on this particular product just for cleansing your skin is something which is not much useful. And one more thing I would like to share is the actual name of this product given in the app is Nykaa Naturals Clean Touch 2-in-1 Face Brush and Massager. But if you see on this box, Satin box. It's just mentioned as Clean Touch Facial Cleansing Brush. That's it. So what are the 2-in-1 purposes? There is nothing over here. Even in the manual, there is nothing like what is the second purpose of it. So I guess if you can see the bristles over here, the corner, they have the horizontal bristles. Maybe this part acts like a massager. Even I'll show you. But even we cannot, give it a circular motion because they are in horizontal shape. So we can just swipe it. That's it. And it's very tiny, sleeky shape. So it doesn't work much as a massager also. And it not even mentioned we can apply any massaging cream for the massage or any oil kind of or any serum in anywhere in this manual. So this is what I feel about this new launch of Nykaa. I use different kind of products of Nykaa launches, but this is something I feel really worthless and very expensive, and for 3000 rupees this is not much worthful product. So this is what I feel. Viewers, what you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Until then, I take your leave, and if you like my video, please do give a like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.